Road to Satyug Engineering Competition. Your challenge, engineers. How many solar panels does it take to make a mass of 2000 kilograms move for 24 hours? And fastest lap, highest load, most efficient. This is your challenge in the Road to Satyug, where engineers come together from all over the country to build a prototype road that gives free housing, transportation, food, and healthcare. Live on TV. Register now. Okay. So now this will apply to two-wheelers, three-wheelers, service vehicle, heavy transport. This is the working principle. Solar to mechanical energy. Welcome to the reality engineering competition or the Road to Satyug. You're with Nihesh Pol, your host, who is going to be with you on this journey on making reality surrender. We are here for the first ever reality engineering competition or the Road to Satyug. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live competition where we have 5 incredible teams. We're going to start off this competition with a physics and a maths part of this journey where we'll be testing their theory to make photons into mechanical energy. With that, we're going to go to a short break and we're going to come back with the first part of the reality engineering competition, the Road to Satyug. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. We're going to have some amazing teams do some incredible world-saving stuff. Stay tuned. Future, I have demonstrated the prototype road, literally civilization prime principle inversion. First part of our engineering competition. Future, this is for you. The question is, how many solar panels does it take to make a mass of 2000 kilograms run for 24 hours? And we're back with the Road to Satyug. So this is our first portion where we are doing the physics and the maths of how we're going to make photons into mechanical energy. With that, we're going to move to our teams and we're going to start the show. And we are almost at the end of the time period allotted to the teams to come up with a theory that will determine whether we can evolve and go towards Satyug. Have you guys got your numbers? Alright, with that we're going to go to the judges table and we're going to see each person's and we're going to ask them what was their final answer that they got for their theory portion for the first stage of reality engineering, Road to Satyug. We're going to go to the first team, best of the best. What is the answer to the first question?
149 panels.
149 panels. We're going to move into the next team, World Solve. Answer the question, Manoj.
163.
163. And how many kilowatt hours?
445.91.
So is your team confident that it can make 445.51 kilowatt hours for the moving the 2000 kilogram mass? Yes. To the next team,
Shadow Savior.
Shadow Saviors. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
257 panels.
257 solar panels. What is the size of each solar panel?
One solar panel, it will take amount 400 watts.
400 watts. All right.
Total, it comes to 437 kilowatt hours.
You're confident?
Yes.
All right. We'll find out in the competition on the next round for reality engineering on Road to Satyug. We're going to the next team.
Binary brains.
Binary Brains. How many solar panels, Binary Brains?
So actually, on an average, 224 solar panels.
What is the size of each solar panel?
Actually, one size is 2 meters per square.
2 square meters?
Yeah.
All right. And what is the total number of kilowatt hours?
446.4 kilowatt hours.
Correct. Are you confident, Binary Brains? Is your team confident of making 436 kilowatt hours on the practical model?
Yes.
Yes? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the round 1. Was it exciting for you guys?
Yes, it's very exciting and it was slightly complicated.
Slightly complicated. They found out that you can, in fact, theoretically make photons into mechanical energy. Road to Satyug. Now we are going to our second part of our competition where we are going to make the solar system for the Road to Satyug. Ready, teams? On your marks. Get set. Go. 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. Welcome back to Road to Satyug. You're with Nihesh Pol, with your host for this incredible journey on how we're going to make reality surrender and make the roads give back to us. Today is day 2 of the competition, and we have the most incredible teams from all over the country coming in to build a road that gives back to you, where you get free housing, free food, free transportation, free medicines, and you get free speech.
Wires is connected to terminal box.
Nice. You're going to next team. Show us your diagram. All right, that's what he's made, and show us the rest of the block diagram. Tell us. So Shadow is doing an incredible job leading, and then we have a close second with this. This is a close second because he's given the. I finally got the diagram that I want. Okay, well done. Good job. So he's coming close second. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm Nesh Bol, and we are doing the Road to Satyug, and we are going to be back after this short break. Welcome to day 3 of the reality engineering Road to Satyug. We are going to do the road component of the competition today. Today the teams are going to build the universal service line, and how they're going to do it, whether they're going to put it on top, they're going to put it on the bottom, they're going to put it on the side, they're going to put it under the road. Let's find out. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down. Well done, teams. This is the round 3 of the Road to Satyug. Electromagnetic bottom conduction is what he's going for. Top. He's chosen top. Awesome. In the lanes. Bottom. You're going to go for the bottom?
Yes.
Nice. So Shadow is actually thinking quite a bit. He's giving to the grid also. He's not only keeping it for the road and its thing. So guys, you're going to have, when they say I'll give you free electricity and I'll give you so many units free, we are going to give you free electricity. And that is today's day, and we've come out with our leading team as Shadow, and we have another team which is done and best of the best. Give them a big round of applause. Day 4, we're going to make the vehicle segment for Road to Satyug. How is it going to propel the car or the vehicle forward? That is what we're going to find out with the Road to Satyug Day 4. Last events leaders were Shadow and best of the best coming in and second best. So we'll find out what's going to happen in day 4. For the final round, you're going to make a 2-wheeler, a 3-wheeler, a 4-wheeler and an 18-wheeler. I'm Nesh Bol, and we are on the last day of the Road to Satyug. The contestants have actually built the cars and the vehicles and the 2-wheelers and the 4-wheelers and the heavy transport to figure out, they actually figured out how to make sunlight into mechanical energy. What Best of the Best has done is he's thinking of putting the motor outside the wheel rather than putting it in front of the vehicle itself. So he's giving direct drive from the motor to the wheel. World Solver is able to actually solve for 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and heavy transport. Unfortunately, they've been disqualified since they've not been able to produce their vehicles. Alright, that looks like we've got the highest number of scores from Shadow, which is still in the lead by 25 points. And so we've come up and we've got Shadow is our leading team, and we've got best of the best, it's still at second, and we have these two tied at 3 and on third. And we have 1 disqualification, unfortunately. So everybody give them a big round of applause. You've been amazing, an amazing audience. We've done, you have successfully completed the Road to Satyug challenge, and you have made reality surrender. You have literally made photons into mechanical energy. Stay tuned for the finals, and this is going to be amazing. We're going to have the Prime Minister giving out the awards for the finalists. We're going to have the energy ministers coming in for the semi-finals, and it's going to be very intense and jam-packed. It's going to be amazing. Stay tuned. We're going to have the load competition, we're going to have the speed competition, and we're going to have the efficiency competition, and this is going to be incredible. It's going to be fast, it's going to be furious, it's going to be insane, it's going to be heavy, it's going to be light, it's going to be crazy. Guys, stay tuned. This is Road to Satyug. I'm Nesh Bol, and this is how we make reality surrender.